The door and window screens at your home serve a very important purpose. That's to allow the fresh air in, but not allow any bugs to get in. But if it's torn or it's ripped, it's not going to serve that purpose.
That's right, Danny. If the screen has got a hole in it, you can repair it. But if it's badly torn, you're really better off replacing the entire screen. What you need to do is pull out the old rubber spline and remove the old screen, then cut a new piece of screen slightly larger than the frame and put it back in using a new piece of rubber spline.
Now, with a small puncture like this, Joe, I've seen a lot of the little repair kits that are really pieces of screen that you glue over it.
Right. The problem with those is they're more obvious than the hole itself.
Yeah, that's for sure.
So what I'd rather do is try to repair it. And if the hole's small enough, you can. The trick is to first use your fingers and a putty knife or even like a needle nose pliers work well to straighten out the bent fibers. So what you want to do is push them all down and try to get them lined up as best you can. And once you got them filled in, got that hole filled back in, you take nothing more than some clear nail polish, which I don't ordinarily carry around in my pocket.
I hope not.
But I brought it out to show you this trick. What you need to do is just apply a coat first to one side and put in a nice thick coat, because what you want to do is bridge the space where that hole was. And let it dry just a minute or two, flip it over, and apply a second coat to the back side.
Now, this is aluminum screen, which is very common, but this trick will also work on fiberglass screen.